This is Brady with Regal Roofing doing a repair attempt for Mark Aguilar at 116 Keller Hitch Drive out here on October 25th. It is around 2 o'clock. Roof temperature 130 degrees, air temperature 79 degrees. This is the damaged shingle I am replacing. You can see the shingles around it are not damaged. I'll go ahead and attempt the repair. Okay, I'm gonna use a flat bar to pop these shingles and get the nails out, and the roof snake to put the nails back in. Here we've got degranulation, shingle being creased here as well. I'll now attempt to put the new shingle in with the roof snake. Put the nail in the roof snake like required. That's the 4 lower nails. Now I have to do the 4 higher nails.
right.
As you can see, the repair attempt has clearly failed, damaging 1, 2, 3 shingles in the process. This roof is unrepairable. We will be turning in an estimate for full replacement as well as this video. Thank you. Have a good day.